Hey class, Instructor Bings here, coming to you with the first mini video over a topic from chapter 1. I apologize because my voice still is indicating that my head is all stuffed up, but I'm feeling good enough to be able to do this video. Hopefully you were able to watch the video from a couple nights ago and you understand the setup of this. If not, I encourage you to watch that video. Excuse me. So for chapter 1, the topic that I want to focus on is the location, basically the location addresses that we as human beings give to places on Earth using latitude and longitude. So that is what I'm focusing on. That's what we're focusing on for this. You'll now keep in mind that I have the 2016 print edition, so the page numbers might not exactly line up if you have a newer edition, but in chapter 1, under the main section called spatial analysis, there is the first subsection called location. Now in my textbook, this is on page 13, but the information about latitude and longitude is found in that subsection that is titled location. And then also you'll want to read the window on the world section. Hopefully you've noticed that there are these little bonus sections called window on the world. This one is 1.3, window on the world, Greenwich, England. Now in my textbook, it's pages 14 and 15. So that's the material in the textbook that you need for if you're going to do either option 1, which is test bonus, or if you're going to do option 2, which is the final project. And again, if you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to watch the introduction video that I posted 2 days ago. So that's the material. The specific thing that I'm going to have you do is all spelled out in the attachment, the assignment attachment that I've provided. But I did want to show you that if you go online, and you will need to use the internet for whether you do the test bonus or whether you do the final project. I just wanted to show you that it is very easy to find latitude and longitude coordinates. So for example, here, I've got my hometown of Quinton, Oklahoma typed in. And so when I do that, it brings it up. And you can either bring up MapQuest or Wikipedia. And I'm sure there's other websites that would give you the latitude and longitude coordinates. But let me just click on Wikipedia. And it brings up the entry to Quinton, Oklahoma. And if you look over here on the right, where there's a little map of Oklahoma and it's got a little red dot where Quinton is, down here are the coordinates. The latitude, make sure I'm getting that right. Yeah, latitude is first. Latitude is either north or south. The latitude of Quinton is 35 degrees, 7 minutes, and 33 seconds north. The longitude is 95 degrees, 22 minutes, 3 seconds west. You will find that on any town that you look up on Wikipedia or on MapQuest. I've also clicked on MapQuest, and here's where my town is relevant to Poteau and Fort Smith and McAllister, Muskogee. But over here on the left, if you scroll down, it gives you information about Quinton, which county it's in, population. And then here, look here, there's those coordinates again, 35, 7, 33 north, 95, 22, 3 west. And then if you are doing the final project option, I've asked you to also use www.gps.gov. Here is that website. And I've laid this out in the instructions, but once you get here to the home page, let me just show you. I just typed in GPS and it came up, gps.gov. Once you get here, you need to go to Systems. And then when the drop-down menu comes up, go to GPS Overview. That's what you'll need to be using for the final project. So, again, I've given you a paper with the instructions. Hopefully this video is enough. If you have any questions, feel free to text me or email me or call me. Hope everything's going good. And next week, I will share with you the next mini video on a topic from Chapter 2. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.